Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all check if your internet connection is working properly or not. So to check internet connection, open Safari browser and then open a website to check if internet is working or not. So now you can see my internet is working properly. So the next step is turn on or off airplane mode. Swipe down and open control center, and from here turn on and turn off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turning on and off airplane mode, the Snapchat will start working properly, but if it's still not opening or working properly, then open and close Snapchat 2 to 3 times. Open Snapchat and close, and do it 2 to 3 times. When you open and close Snapchat 2 to 3 times, it will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then go to your settings and then scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software updates and then check if your iPhone is updated to latest version of iOS or not. If your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update your iPhone, and after updating your iPhone, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, your Snapchat will start working properly. And if it's still not working, then check if its Snapchat is updated or not. To check, open App Store and then search Snapchat. Now you can see my Snapchat is updated. Check if your Snapchat is updated or not, and if your Snapchat is not updated, then update your Snapchat and then open settings, and after opening settings, scroll down and click on screen time. Now here scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions, and then turn off all privacy, content and privacy restrictions. If you have turned on content and privacy restrictions, then turn this button off. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. After turning off content and privacy restrictions, the Snapchat will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.